Hi guys, welcome to Kite CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a pipe nipple and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all 2D drafting is available here. And this is a isometric view, and this project is a hydraulic pump project, and all parts is a one by one is drawing here, and last is a all parts is a assemble here easily and clearly. Okay, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all view is 2D drafting is available here. And this is a and this lecture is very important for a beginner or student. Okay, and okay, this project is very important, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a pipe nipple, and okay, this is a cutout is very useful. And okay, and this hexagon is drawing here, and this is a cutout, and this body is very nice looking here. And how to this body is designed and all process is learn here one by one. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. At first select a part, and going to some setting is very important, because okay, and some setting is very important, because this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and all okay, and all point is setting here a very important. And at first select this all detail is you can see here on the screen. Okay, this front is a plane is select here. A front plane is better. At first select here, and this is a drawing a circle is 19 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 25 millimeter is this, and select a mid plane. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane and drawing a circle. Okay, this is circle is drawing here easily. And okay, and this diameter is a 19 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And use a extrude boss, and at first select a mid plane, because this is a very important point, and this distance is a 25 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and at first select this face sketch normal, and drawing a hexagon is drawing here this plane, this point, and drawing this. Okay, and this is a line is a horizontal line. This is a very important point. Okay, this line is horizontal. Okay, and next is a use a this point, and this point is select here, and this is a 25 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. This is a 25 millimeter. This okay, and this cutout is does drawing a circle, and circle is this distance is a 1.5. Okay, and select a extrude boss base, and select a mid plane, Okay, and this is a 5 millimeter. Okay, this is a not drawing is better this face, but select a plane. Okay, and this is a control. Okay, this exit here, and control Z is some point is edit here. Okay, this is a not select this face and select a use a front plane because this is a middle, and sketch normal, and hexagon is drawing this. Okay, and select this line and horizontal. Okay, and drawing a this 2 point or 25 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And going to extrude boss base is apply here, and this use a mid plane, and this a 5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, because this dimension is a 5 millimeter is this is use a mid plane. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, 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 next is this face sketch normal, and drawing a circle because this is a cutout is this and smart dimension is used here, and select this point, and this line and this line is distance between 1.5 millimeter. 1.5 millimeter, this is a perfect. 1.5 millimeter is perfect. And use a extrude cut, and through all is better, and select OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And this is a perfect. This is use a fillet, and 1 millimeter is radius, and this is a use a chamfer is this 0.5 and 45 degree angle. Use a fillet. Fillet is a 1 millimeter is this, and select both side. At first this, and select this. Both side is perfect and correct. Okay, and again select use a chamfer. Chamfer is a 0.5 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and select this inside. This inside is a okay, this is not inside is perfect. Delete here, select a upper line this, and select this. Both line is a select here, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Next point is all point is perfect, and next point is some cutting is a thread, and thread is a perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. And this use a 2 millimeter is pitch, and this is a half is a 4.75 millimeter, and this is a full is a 9.5 millimeter, and this is a 70 degree angle. Okay, at first select this face sketch, and select this upper line, and use a convert entities. Okay, and exit, and use a helix and spiral. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And going to this pitch and revolution and constant pitch. Okay, and this pitch is 2 millimeter is perfect, and direction is reverse direction because this direction is change here, and this is a reverse is better. And this revolution is a 4.75 millimeter is multiplied to, and 9.5 millimeter is this. This is a half of this, and this is a use a 4.75 millimeter is this, and start angle is 0 degree and clockwise. All is perfect, and this is a okay. Click here. Okay. Okay, all is perfect, and select a right plane. Okay, select a right plane and sketch normal, or drawing a okay, drawing a thread, and select this and this, drawing a okay. Okay, all is perfect, again drawing a center line, select up this point to this, because this line is a horizontal, this is a vertical line. Okay. Okay, and smart dimension is this user, dimension is this is a 70, this is 70 degree. Okay, all point is perfect, okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this is user. Okay, this is a this cutout is 1 millimeter is this, this distance is a 1 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is 1 millimeter, and this is a angle is 70 degree. Okay, all is perfect and correct, this point is drag here, this okay. Okay. Okay, this use exit and going to sweep cut, and sweep cut is a this is a profile is select here automatic here, and this select a path. Okay, and path is a okay, all is perfect and correct, and this is a okay, this is cutout is very important. Okay, and this line is hide because this body is a this thread cutting is looking perfect, okay, this is a perfect cutting here, and going to this is a front plane. Okay, and use a mirror, and mirror is select here this, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, both side is cutting here easily. Okay, and going to okay. This all point is learn here easily and clearly, and all point is discussed here one by one, and material is apply here, and going to this metal, and metal is this nickel is used here, and this is a use, and all point is a perfect and correct, and isometric view, and okay, all point is a perfect. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.